Tired of slow, error-prone processes in your organization? Meet Liger, your new secret weapon for efficiency. Liger is a secure, private, and trustworthy generative AI solution, custom-built for government, designed to streamline even the most complex tasks. From automating time-consuming acquisition processes to providing instant, accurate answers to policy questions, Liger is here to save you time and resources. With Liger, you'll be operating at the new speed of possible. Don't wait. Transform your organization with Liger today. Visit liger.io to learn more. That's liger.io.
This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. We try each day to make sure we're teaching and entertaining. Some days we're good at it, some days we're bad at it. We appreciate you listening so much. Today's discussion is really a discussion of several healthcare trends based on the Becker's Healthcare CEO Advisory Board. And thank you for listening. We hope, I know a lot of our audience also has healthcare interests. We hope you find this interesting. If not, just dial out. But thank you so much for generally listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. First is insulin and IV shortages. That supply shortage, many systems sitting on a week or two's worth of supply and trying to figure out how to use them carefully, reminded people of different COVID situations when supply chain was really, really a challenging mess. But those shortages. Second, of course, and this is applicable particularly in Florida and areas being hit by the hurricane, is concerns about dealing with the hurricane and those situations and how that will impact systems. Third, and more generally, was the movement towards many health systems towards more and more reliance on government pay and less ability to offset that or subsidize it with payer pay, both because the payer pay market is a smaller percentage of the overall market and because payers are much, much more challenging than they used to be. Fourth was a discussion related to that on the power of the payers and how strong they are in negotiating leverage that they have. Fifth, and related to both these subjects, was the growth of Medicare Advantage and many systems finding it very challenging and less control over the ability to take care of patients in the Medicare Advantage programs versus traditional Medicare. Sixth issue that we talked about, and we talked about a lot, is the reduction of nursing homes, the reduction of post-care settings, and how much that negatively impacts systems and their ability to have places to discharge patients to. So the lack of places to discharge patients to. Seventh, we talked about how fragile systems are economically to the reliance on 340B, and any loss of the ability to utilize 340B fully could have a big impact on systems. Eighth, talked about behavioral health issues, the shortage of behavioral health providers, and how that's impacting emergency rooms and health system facilities. Ninth, there was discussion about private equity in healthcare, particularly the impact where there's lots of control over certain specialties. One talked about specifically yesterday were hospitalist, radiologist, and anesthesiologist. And then 10th, somebody also talked at length about just the amount of concern there is about cyber attacks and ransomware and so forth. Again, these are just 10 of the issues that we're really focused on where we discussed what are you thinking about most, what's most concerning currently, and these were 10 of the issues that came out of that discussion. We hope you find that helpful and that you enjoy this. Chanel Bunger is the greatest producer of all time, and we thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast.
Tired of slow, error-prone processes in your organization? Meet Liger, your new secret weapon for efficiency. Liger is a secure, private, and trustworthy generative AI solution, custom-built for government, designed to streamline even the most complex tasks. From automating time-consuming acquisition processes to providing instant, accurate answers to policy questions, Liger is here to save you time and resources. With Liger, you'll be operating at the new speed of possible. Don't wait. Transform your organization with Liger today. Visit liger.io to learn more. That's liger.io.